How to make gold silver coins and bars with 300-ton 4-post hydraulic press. Our 300-ton 4-post hydraulic press is engineered for high-precision stamping of gold and silver coins, bullion, and medallions. The 4-post design ensures exceptional stability and precise alignment, even under low load. Featuring Siemens PLC control panel and servo motor for easy adjustment of pressure and speed. Each press includes a hardened bolster plate to protect the work table and facilitate smooth automatic ejection. Operation process. The working principle is that the hydraulic pump converts mechanical energy into fluid power, transmitted through specialized oil to the hydraulic cylinder. This delivers controlled, high-tonnage force for sharp, detailed impressions every time. Automatic ejection. Welcome to Inquiry with us.